YouTube tips, how to watch YouTube. Sounds simple enough, doesn't it? I think these tips will help many of you get a better experience quality wise and just various options that some of you don't know are available with YouTube. The quality of the videos is one, and you're able to adjust the quality of the video. I'll show you how to do that and a number of other things to make your viewing more enjoyable. So let's get into it. All right, jumping over to my channel, Amazing Philippines. We'll start here, but because I am logged in, this will look a little bit different, but I will, after I discuss some things here, I will jump over to a different channel, show you some other things there. Anyway, of course, you've got, if you're logged in, you've got, you can log into a bunch of your library, a bunch of different things over here, and we're just going to start from the top up here. Of course, if you click on this, this will refresh. You can do a search here. You can search with your voice. And this is a free app that I use, gives me some information about my channel. I actually have a couple apps. I pay for this this one over here, TubeBuddy, I think. I pay for TubeBuddy, and I don't know if it's worth it or not, but I do anyway. This is my This is if I want to create, if I want to upload or do a live feed, and of course, comments, notifications. Go down here, and this video is fairly popular. It's got I think over 3,000 views in a few months, and I often link this at the end of a video in case anybody's interested. Now, the average person doesn't watch the whole video. I think on average, 7, 8, 9 minutes is an average that a person watches a video. So if I have a 10-minute video, 15-minute video, they never get to that end link area, and I'll show you that a little bit later. Let's see, go down here. Of course, you can turn on autoplay, and then YouTube will just continue playing the next videos. Subtitles, you can click on that, and you can get English subtitles, auto-generated, and you may be able to choose other languages as well. Now, the most important, one of the most important things here, this little gear icon. This is settings. And some of my videos, especially my 360 videos, a few people say they're real good quality, and other people say, oh, they're blurry, they're low quality. And this is why, and YouTube does this to me too. If they detect that I have a slow connection, for instance, they will hear quality here. You click on that, and they might give me 240p or 360 or 480p, and the video doesn't look very good at all. So generally you want at least 720 or 1080p, and if the videos have been uploaded in 2K or 4K, they will give you those options as well. So go in there, and I've got this set to auto, but go in there and choose a higher resolution if you're getting a bad video. And let's go back down here to settings, and look, you can go ambient mode, annotations, a playback speed, and there's one guy I listen to a lot. He even talks slower than me. And I change his voice speed, I change the video speed to 1.5 times faster, and you can go all the way up to 2 times faster. Or some people talk so fast that if I'm trying to write things down, for instance, a recipe or something, I might cut them back to 7.5. Now, my experience is that it sounds pretty odd, but I can still understand what's going on. And custom up there, I've never hit that. Not sure what you can do with that. Mini player, of course, you can hit that and drop it down into. You can have it playing down here while you're watching various things here. And if you want to put it back to full screen, you're there. And full screen is there. And then if you want to go back to a smaller screen, You can adjust that. Now on your phone, you have similar type of options. Um, Here again, I've got analytics. I've got 42.2 thousand subscribers. Analytics, these again are paid for. I can edit my video. Number of thumbs up. It's almost 99%, I think, which is nice to get. If I want to download a video, and what it will tell you, if you want to download a video, it will tell you, well, you need to sign up for, I think it's called YouTube Premiere or something like that, Premium, and you pay a certain amount per month, and then it allows you to download videos and do other things as well. And you also get ad-free videos. And I do make a couple pesos if people who are paying, if they watch one of my videos, I get paid, I don't know, a few cents out of those as well. And then the number of subscribers isn't that important. It's important, but not that important as far as the income. And it's more and more difficult to make much income at all with YouTube. Number of reasons. Advertisers are demanding more for their money, and I think you've noticed more ads, but they're very short ads, so they probably generate less income than for Google, who owns YouTube, than longer videos. A little more competition. When I came here 2015-16, gosh, I only knew about 3 other vloggers. There's probably hundreds of them just right here in Cebu City at the present time. This thing, they will introduce chapters for those of you who are interested. If you want to jump ahead to something, they will auto generate some of that information. And then what I do, the first comment, of course you have the description here, and a lot of times I will say in the video, I will put a link to something in the description, right? So I will put a link to something here. So you have to click the more button. And then the first comment of most of my videos, I've got various links, and I pin it. And it's if you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee, PayPal, Patreon, which I've dropped off of. Here's my email address. And I've got links, this is an older video, I've got links to JRC Visa Consultancy here, as well as their YouTube channel down here. Now, if I am missing anything, put some comment and let the rest of us in on it. All right, jumping over to somebody else's, because when I'm logged in, it shows you different items than if you're not logged in. So I could have logged out of my channel, but anyway, I'm jumping over here to Dr. John Campbell. Many of you are familiar with him. 2.8 million subscribers, puts out a lot of good information on health and various issues. Home videos, live playlists, and I have a number of playlists, so you can click that and just go through playlists. You can play them all. Community, I'm going to start using that more often. Channels about, but he's got a lot of good information. New safe form of immunization. I highly recommend this guy's channel. There's several doctors, scientists that I watch fairly regularly. And information on the WHO is trying to take over all the health regulations in the world, excess heart deaths, information about that, breast cancer prevention, lots of good interviews with various people. You get a long list of information. Viral vaccine paper, dramatic increase in diabetes, U.S. intelligence, myocarditis data from Korea, heart deaths in Australia. A lot of you will be interested in that. Got a lot of Australians. Young excess deaths, international excess deaths, interesting information for those of you who are interested. A lot of debate, although it's not in the mainstream media, about what is happening. Excess deaths, the insurance industries can tell us that. Governments put out some of that information. What is causing all these excess deaths across all age groups? Young athletes dropping dead at an unprecedented rate. If this many people around the world, each and every country almost, in every age group, if this many people were dying on a weekly and monthly basis from terrorist attacks, it would be in the front page newspapers and on television news. But for some reason, mainstream media, lamestream media, is not covering this very important topic. What's causing that? It is not virus related. So what is causing it, and why are people in all age groups dropping dead, unprecedented levels? I know what many people think. There are some things you're not allowed to say on YouTube, which is owned by Google, so we'll just leave it there. And another site that I check, one of several medical, is Dr. Bean. His name's actually Mo Bean, but he puts out a lot of really good information. This one concerning zinc supplementation, in fact. And every time you get on a site like this, you will get the DOH, get the latest information, the warning, even on some videos that I've done. Anyway, going down here, you can join, you can become a member. I've never done that with YouTube. I could set up a membership type thing, so certain people who join membership get special information. Share, download there again if you're a premium member. And go over here to hit these 3 stars over here if you're on a video. And this thanks button is if you want to support. This is through YouTube, and you can support a channel donating, I don't know, $5, $10, $100, $1,000, whatever. You can clip, you can take, I think, a very short clip, less than a minute, I think, and you can email that or message it to somebody. Gives you various options there. Again, if you want to save it, if you're a premier member, or you can save it to watch later. You can save it to watch later. You can put it in one of your own playlists, and save, report, show transcript. And it's amazing that YouTube does this by itself. Does a pretty good job. If you want to read the transcript of what is being said there, and not sure if it's 100% accurate or not, but there it is. What am I forgetting? Of course, you got comments. A thumbs up or even a thumbs down will show that you're interacting with the video, and that helps the algorithms. I average, I think, 97 to 99 to 100% thumbs up, which I really appreciate that. Of course, if you want to add comments down here. The biggest takeaway I wanted you to get from this video was how you can adjust the quality, and I didn't realize that for quite some time. I finally went into settings, and you can adjust the quality. So if you're having a problem with the quality, it might not be you, might not be the person making the video, might not be your device, it might be the setting. So go in there and adjust the setting first. The other thing is speed. Sometimes I'm in a hurry and I'll speed up videos. I've limited time, and I don't have time with all the editing and taking video, all the editing, and I have a little bit of a life outside of YouTube. So I stay, retired, but I'm about as busy as I've ever been in my life, actually. So I sometimes I just have to, there's videos I want to watch. I've probably got 1,000 listed to watch later, and never time to watch those because just busy. And answering comments, answering emails, doing life, living life here in the Philippines. So anyway, I hope that helps, and We'll have more videos coming soon. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I put out 2 to 3 videos every week. See you next time.